Gadget Girl and Bird Nerd here on day 101 for me, day 3, 4? Day 4 for Bird Nerd for her section hike, and we are setting out from Snickers Gap. There's a sign here, another project by the volunteers of Potomac Appalachian Trail Club. They apparently maintain here. Sadly though, they are applying herbicides. I mean, I understand that does make it easier to control the trail, but it's glyphosate, and that's the same as Roundup, so that's not good for the insects. Kind of sad to see that. We're taking a little Blue Blaze trail to the Appalachian Trail here at Snickers Gap. We have a really cool kiosk here that has information. It has wood carvings in it. It was made by a Boy Scout troop. What was the number? 961. Yeah, right there. Troop 961. Very cool. And they have some hiking puns here. Funny. I went to buy a camouflage tent the other day. I couldn't find any. A hot rock placed in your sleeping bag will keep your feet warm. A hot enchilada works almost as well, but the cheese will stick between your toes. My father asked how my last hike went. I told him it had its ups and downs. I complained to my father, this hike is taking too long. He replied, rush more and we'll get there faster.
Rosie.
Oh look, Rosie found a companion. Right here on the kiosk. This is a flashback video. 2 years ago, I was standing here traveling with Tanya, Monarch, Stan the Man, and Styx, doing some trail magic for them. So this place brings back a lot of memories. And has a great view too. Nice little creek here. It'll be a lovely spot to sit and rest, but we got a long day ahead of us, so we're gonna go right across that rock hop crossing. This mountain just will not quit. It keeps going up and up and up and up. It's gotta stop sometime. Yay, we are finally on the downhill side. This is like the first of 5-ish climbs today, 6-ish climbs. We're in the section called the roller coaster. Really nice campsite up here at the top. We're probably about 3.5 miles or so in. Nice. Very different thing on the trail here I haven't seen before. There is a road that goes through here. And I assume this is how they closed off the road. It's a strange suspended gate on a cable or something. Looks very strange. Obviously it's pretty old, it's falling apart. A big stream crossing here, lots of rocks. Here at mile 5.1, there is a fabulous campsite. They've even got pretty much furniture. Look at that, there's a couch, got a fireplace. Very nice spot. This is a super pretty little area. It's not very level, so it might be hard to camp here. But it sure would be a pretty place to stop and eat. Lovely little stream. Sounds really inviting. All right, Rosie and I have now done 1,000 miles from Springer Mountain, Georgia. 1,197.4 to go to Katahdin. We feel quite accomplished. We are coming out here on Morgan's Mill Road. Plenty of parking here. There's parking here. You can probably park some up there. And there's parking down the road too. So if you want a section hike or do like we're doing a slack pack, this would be a pickup point or a drop-off point. There is a huge rock shelf right here, right kind of in the middle of the trail. So then it's not clear where the trail goes exactly. We're trying to figure it out here, but we'll get it in a minute. Might go that way, might go that way. We'll figure it out. All right, it was the turn to the left, down the hill for a change, and we'll figure it out from here. This would be a really good spot for some extra white blazes. Here at mile 7.3, we just crossed this bridge over this pretty little stream. Beautiful. There's a nice campsite here, and it's got a huge fire pit. Oh, seem to have lost the blazes again. So we'll be looking for the trail. Okay, yeah, the trail after the bridge takes a sharp right. So if you're coming across this area, watch for that, because you're looking at the campsite ahead and you don't notice that the trail is turning sharply here to the right. It has been a tough day. It's a day of what they call PUDs, pointless ups and downs. Just go up one mountain, no view, down the other side, up another mountain, no view, down the other side. So it's a little tiring, but we're getting closer to the end. The one good thing, there has been tons of water sources along the way today, so you don't have to carry a whole lot of water. All right, I'm gonna finish this climb. I think I've only got one more that's a major climb, and the rest are just smaller. Small campsite here, about 5.8 miles north of Blue Ridge Mountain Road. Time for thru hiker Duck Duck Goose here. It's been a long day. More rocks, but I have finally made it to the top of my last main climb for the day. There'll still be a couple of small uphills, but this should be the last one that's really difficult. It's been a day. Hiker warning, entering the roller coaster. Have a great ride, Trail Boss and crew. All right, actually we've already did most of the roller coaster at this point because we were hiking southbound today. And believe me, it was a ride. I don't know about great, but it was a ride. Crossing some bog bridges here. Kind of dry right now, but I'm sure these are a big help when it's soggy. Passing by also Fisher's Hill Loop Trail. Let's go on for quite some ways. I have reached the area of Rod Hollow Shelter. Still have several miles to go. The shelter's off trail away, so I'm gonna keep going. I am passing by the area of the Myron Glasser cabin. It's a side trail. The cabin is owned by the Potomac Appalachian Trail Club and can be rented by members. Yay! We have made it to the end of our day. We are staying at Bear's Den Hostel tonight. Surrounded by the ATC. There's Diane's bunk. There's my bunk. Bird Nerd is tenting outdoors.